7 to Magsayo. Last 6 is 40. Habiguero connect to Pellegrino. Silala. To jersey number 15 to jersey number 7. Pablo Ate for 3. To jersey number 15 to Pablo Ato Pellegrino. Connect. Magsayo. Turn around pass to Mr. Alcover. Attempt connect 2 points, Mr. Alcover. Score! 5 against 4 in favor of Team Jackie Jones Petchup. Cortales attempt, wala, rebound by Gutom, hook shot, connect. Against 6 in favor of Jackie Jones Petchup. Jersey number 15 attempt for 3, bang! 25 in the first quarter. Alcover pass to Magsayo, way up, connect Mr. Magsayo. Shot lock 10, number 3, bang! Wala, rebound by Gutom. Last 2 minutes and 20. Habiguero Express connect, Mr. Gira Mara pass to Papa to be press. Papa. Winning time, that's 41 seconds. Shot clock 14. Siliada connect Mr. Siliada. That's 20. Lower shot. Connect Mr. Alcover. Wala. Rebound by Villanueva. Magdugo connect Mr. Magot. Shot clock 14. Dagaraga to Villa connect Mr. Dagaraga. Alcover connect 2 points. Shot 14. Magdugo Tomera connect Mr. Magdugo. Magdugo Tomera na naman connect to Dagaraga. Wala. Connect Dagaraga. Salina to Alcover. Connect Alcover. Salina attempt. Connect Mr. Salina. Last 2 minutes and 40 ligo to Cortales. Connect Mr. Villanueva to Magdugo. Connect Mr. Magdugo. Ligo to attempt. Wala, rebound by Habiguero. Habiguero ikot connect Mr. Habiguero. 7 against 32, 5-point lead. Namukot, connect, Namukot. Connect, kasi 6 minutes 42, Magsayo to Mira 3, baba! 6 minutes 5, shot na 14. Magsayo again to Mira 3, tali muna yan, Magsayo. Tali na to Cortales, full jump, connect Mr. Cortales. 2 minutes and 50. Cortales, Express connect Mr. Cortales. 10. Silada Muhammad Ali connect Mr. Silada. Alcover. To Magsayo, to Cortales, Express connect. That's 3 minutes and 25. Cortales. Cortales. Gutom. Connect Gutom. Last 2 minutes and 50. Pellegrino Numero 3. Tali muna yan. Gutom to Alcover. Alcover to Magsayo. Connect